Hello, everybody. Why are you going? Can you do now? I'm going to meet you. Hello, everybody.
Good morning. So for me, it is the day of Aaliyah's team bonding Christmas event and also the day before our Christmas brunch. I should say our Grinchmas brunch. So right now I'm in my bedroom and it is a little bit messy. Where did the accent come from? It's a little bit messy. So I'm about to clean up this room because my fiance comes back in town today in a couple hours and there's so much to do in between then. So I just figured that I'd start the vlog now. I think I already put in the clips of what the event space looks like before the food is set up and stuff. So it's pretty nice. It feels like Christmas now because we spent time decorating last night. Aaliyah and I decorated until like, I want to say about 3 a.m. Yeah, and then basically took a nap and woke up and now we're getting on with our days. She's at school. They have a half day today. Oh, my eyebrows. And then, yeah, I'm at home cleaning. So I gave myself a timer of 30 minutes to do this stuff. I don't think I need 30 minutes, but I'm going to take that time to do my bedroom. And then I'm going to start getting ready for the day because I do have to head out to BJ's to pick up the food for tomorrow's brunch. So that is what we're doing. That is where we're starting. And I hope you guys are doing something along with me or just enjoying the vlog, whatever you decide to do. But welcome to a new day. Okay guys, I'm ready for the event. My lips look a little ashy because I put on this matte lipstick thing, but this is what I'm wearing. I'm gonna flip the camera so I can show y'all. Well, let me see. Let me do it like this. And then that's it. All right, I'm gonna head downstairs and start cleaning up. Hey guys! It's about 11:30 at night on December 22nd, a couple days before Christmas Eve. And I have decided to take on the task of wrapping a couple gifts before the night before Christmas as usual. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm actually going to take a shower so that I'm ready, so I have the energy. I think I'm also going to watch a vlog. Maze Lee and Kyra Stewart have both been on my mind. So I might find one of their vlogs to sit back and watch while I do some of this wrapping. It's going to be a little bit tricky though because right now all the kids are still awake. I'm going to try to see if I can get them a little distracted and then put in bed in between all of this. So yeah. Oh, I wanted to update you guys though before I even go take a shower. So the Grinch party went well. It was a success. it was a brunch, actually, a Grinchmas brunch, I should say. So we had all our foods laid out. We had everybody that I invited, almost everybody that I invited just about came, except for a couple of my friends. But the house was still pretty full and vibrant. Everybody just about was in their Grinch PJs, so it made it so seamless. And everybody looked great. I put up the photo backdrop by myself. They used that plenty, which I was so happy about. The Grinch came out and surprised the kids. Only one kid got scared out of the whole group, which I'm not surprised. But yeah, all went well. So they had a good time. We're still doing some of those festivities from the party because we didn't do a lot of the stuff that I bought. Like, I brought a bingo game. I bought extra gingerbread houses, gingerbread cookies and stuff, little activities. So Kassia's been doing some of that stuff while she's home during winter break so far. So yeah, it's been good. I'm so glad that that was successful because I was planning this thing for about 2 weeks straight. No, longer than 2 weeks. Why is he making noise? Okay. All right. I'll check back in soon.
Yeah. Thank you, Santa Claus. God of Jesus.
Pancakes over here looking like IHOP or McDonald's. It's a reindeer. Good morning and Merry Christmas from my family to yours. It is Christmas Day and I just finished wrapping up the remaining Christmas gifts for my family. I have a couple over here in bags, and then I ran out of paper, so I was trying to make a little cute bow on there for my sister cousin, so that's her gift. And it is about time for us to prepare for dinner. So Babe's downstairs cooking. He already started. He's working on the meat. He's going to start the mac and cheese next. I am going to go put these gifts downstairs, prep the table for dinner, and then get ready. And then after that, I'm going to work on the side. So I'm doing carrots, Brussels sprouts, and I want to do a garlic herb roll. So I'm doing like the easy, simple stuff because I'm not the cook. My fiance is much better at cooking than I am. So even though I can cook and my food tastes good, he's just better at it. So I do not prefer to take on like the bigger foods, especially if I've never cooked it before, while he doesn't mind experimenting. So that's what we're doing. So let me keep moving because it's 2 o'clock. I need to stop saying but I did tell my family to start arriving around 4:30. So I am now on a time crunch or whatever, but I don't want to rush. So I'm just going to keep moving with intentionality. I think it's 2 o'clock. Let me see. It's probably like 1:45. It is, my clock is buried behind all the gifts. 1:43. So yeah, like I said, like 1:45. So I'm going to put this downstairs and then keep going. I also got to tidy up my bedroom a little bit because it has been prepped for Christmas haven. I'm doing college applications on my own. Submitted. There you go. That's so great. Oh, it says celebrate. I didn't read the rest. Application will remain active for 1 year from the date. Wow. It should be. I'm sure a lot of people already cut. All the ingredients. Rice is going. This is some chicken bouillon. My drink. This is what I'm making. It's upside down, but that's what it is. We got the pork, the green beans, and all the other stuff to make it taste good. And then I'm making it in a pot today. All right now. Happy new day, everyone. It is the morning for me, and while I got off one of my babies to school, we're about to get the others dropped off and do taxes, which is always like, I don't know, it always feels a little nerve-wracking to me, I guess because it's like putting in all the numbers and waiting to see what they say. And I think it would be better if I learned more about the whole tax thing. It's probably something I need to do this year, but anyway, I kind of just wanted to sit down and do a quick catch up in my video because I have not actually spoken to you guys in quite a while. So the Christmas holiday is over, and so is New Year. And as I'm stepping into this next year in 2026, I've just been wanting to get myself regrounded and kind of work on some of the disciplines that I started in the last year. And just make 2026 a better year based on like what I've already learned last year and practicing more and more of that this year. As far as content creation goes, I think I'm gonna scale it back to work on the habit of building discipline to do one video a week first, because I got so excited that I wanted to do 2 videos every single week, but I didn't properly plan that out. So with life happening and me trying to do something new really quickly, it just didn't always lead to me being consistent in that. So I decided that this year I'm going to start off with 1 video a week just to build the muscle, the discipline muscle. And I've been watching so many creators, and they just reminded me, I feel like that I am in a good place when I still, because I was like, what am I doing on my channel? What is my goal? And so that would hold me back. But then I remember I watch a lot of vlog channels because I like vlogs still. And what Alex Hermosi was talking about when he said, if you don't know what to teach, just to document. So that's what I'm going to get back to doing. How is 2026 going for you guys so far? It is still the first week of January here. And I'd say it's been so far so good. If I actually were to sit back and think about everything that I wrote out on my list to do, I have been able to do it during this break. So I'm really glad about that. I do need to get back on my working out. I want to train myself to do a 3-mile walk or run this year. So that's what I'll be working on. Last year I ended up hitting 2.5 miles. That was the most that I've been able to do consistently for weeks at a time. Excuse me. So this year I want to get to 3 miles consistently. Oh, I need to put lotion on. Yeah. I want to get my nails redone. My hands dry out. Don't mind that. I want to get my nails redone because right now they still look like gingerbread colors. And I want them to be more like, you know, everyday nails. So I think this year too, I might be dabbling in wearing my natural nails more, number 1. Actually, these are my natural nails, just polish. But my natural nails out without polish mostly. And press-ons, learning how to do press-ons. And I think my daughter needs to do that too because Even though she keeps her nails on for a long time, she likes to switch up her design, and they can get pretty costly. I think for the both of us, I spent like 170. My mind is saying 178 for some reason, but like something like that just for 2 hands to be done, which is quite a lot of money. Where you can get press-ons for way less than that, and they still last. As long as you get the right glue, is what I'm hearing. So anyway, you guys, I did my hair yesterday, and this is the final result of it. I wrapped it for the first time on my own using the braiding, no, not spring twist hair. So this part doesn't look as good, but these, they came out pretty good. I just put some jewelry on it too, and you can see at the bottom where the brown peeks through. It's actually like, but now that I did my hair like this, I kind of want to cut it short and try the bob style that I've been seeing. So I think as the style gets, you know, like I'm ready to change it out, I might do that. But as of right now, it's like probably a bra strap length. And I do like the little peekaboo brown on the bottom. That's pretty cute. It actually matches my outfit. I'm wearing black leggings. So anyway, guys, that is just a quick check-in. It is probably about 5 minutes till the kids got to go to school. And then we have our tax appointment. So yeah, I'm not sure when I'll pick the vlog back up, but I'll talk to you guys really soon.